Welcome to our channel eCommerce Know-How. Enabling an e-commerce site with the massively available solutions to accept crypto coin as payment is critical. Furthermore, individuals and organizations' interest in crypto coin has reached new heights with the increasing market. Today's video shows you how one can accept crypto coin as a payment option while using Prestashop or OpenCart. So without further ado, let's begin. Firstly, whether you are an e-commerce merchant or not, just warming up your thoughts within the crypto coin market or sold on the notion of crypto payments, seeking to accept them in the online shop, it is critical to stay on top of how the trend is developing. Knowing that the entire e-commerce industry has brought and will continue to push cryptocurrencies into the mainstream, people nowadays are using different e-commerce development platforms, which are Prestashop and OpenCart. Therefore, most people and enterprises use these two. So how will cryptocurrency be beneficial to e-commerce? Well, it will offer instant payments. While traditional transactions will be time-consuming, blockchain technology will enable faster and direct transactions to simplify a business's cash flow. For consumers, the processing of crypto coins means that items can be sent and are ideal for addressing buyers with the growing demand for delivery. It has immense growth, like accepting crypto transactions will broaden the target market and increase new consumer visits. In addition, there are advantages for enterprises trying to grow internationally, since cryptocurrencies will make international transactions cheaper, easier, and faster. It has better protection because of the sophisticated encryption. They are challenging to counterfeit and steal, lowering the risk of fraud in digital transactions. It also has reasonable fees as the third-party service fees are lowered here. The e-commerce owners will incur credit cards and payment methods with lower fees. Now, how can you accept cryptocurrency payments on Prestashop and OpenCart? If you desire to accept crypto coin payments on these two platforms, you will have two options. The first is using a personal wallet, as it will allow you to receive payments straight to the digital wallet. The next method is by third-party payment processors, and here, the third-party services will handle transactions on their behalf. All the payment processors will have their set of fees, supported crypto coins, and functions. There is no guideline to follow when using the crypto payment gateway, and the functions are similar to the traditional payment gateways. The significant difference is that crypto coin as payment will help accept crypto coins. While using OpenCart and Prestashop, people will be accepting cryptocurrency by integrating their payment gateway plugins. So cryptocurrencies will be the solution for e-commerce merchants trying to increase the market share while providing a more convenient and faster payment for consumers with goods and services. Though some individuals are apprehensive about crypto coins' widespread adoption and the influence they will have on e-commerce, signals across the industry indicate the rising usage and acceptance. So if you are to use Prestashop and OpenCart as the e-commerce sites, you need to accept crypto payments easily and quickly with the help of third-party processors, with no extra costs for installation. Whether or not you will be convinced with the idea to receive crypto payments on the e-commerce site, staying on top of the latest crypto coin developments means consumers will be able to change the entire e-commerce strategy and stay ahead of the competition. While the cryptocurrency market has evolved since this time, there are various reasons why you can use it as payment. Nowadays, fiat currency payments are popular, but adding the crypto coin payments in the equation will provide merchants and consumers with exclusive benefits. Some of the benefits are low fees, simplicity, privacy, security, and greater control. Crypto coins are more challenging than fiat currencies, as they allow consumers to transact without any need for third parties like credit unions and banks. It democratizes the economic field and allows people to transact freely and securely. The cryptocurrency has lower fees associated with the payments by credit or debit cards. In some cases, the transactions with crypto coins will be completely free. It also has international use, and crypto coins have no border, which means they can be used to trade wherever you are in the world. Also, the fees incurred while doing business can be so high instead of fiat currency. Therefore, crypto coins will allow you to trade affordably and quickly internationally. Also, accepting crypto coin for e-commerce has never been easier, and some payment processors make the payment easier to integrate into your website. There are no chargebacks for cryptocurrencies, and as a business owner, a chargeback can be the most frustrating thing ever. Consumers will buy a product, sometimes also use it, and cancel them. With fiat currencies, chargebacks are there, but this is not possible with cryptocurrencies. All the payments are recorded to the blockchain and are final without being tampered with. If a customer desires to get his money back, they need to talk directly to the vendor. This provides the owners better control of the product returns occurring within the business. So this is all about today's video. What do you think about this? Let us know your views in the comments below. Until the next video, stay tuned and subscribe for more.